Let's discuss simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion, which is also called vibratory motion, to and fro motion of a body about its mean position. So this is the pendulum bob attached to the inextensible string. If we apply force, then it will start oscillating due to two conditions which are required for simple harmonic motion. First, the restoring force, which brings the bob towards the original position. Restoring force is basically the force which brings it to the initial position or in the original position. The second condition is the inertia, which continues its state of motion or the resting position. Because the bob is moving in this direction, so it will not remain stop in this direction. It will start oscillating and moving back and forth due to inertia. Let's discuss motion of the mass attached to the spring. By Hooke's law, force is directly proportional to the change in length. F is proportional to x. X represents the change in length or the displacement of the mass attached to the spring. Take the mass attached to the spring. If we apply force, and it will produce acceleration and move towards this direction. So greater the force, greater will be the acceleration and greater will be the displacement or change in length. By removing the proportionality symbol, we get equality and K spring constant. According to the Newton's third law, F will become minus kx. Minus represent the restoring force or the reaction force, which is opposite to the applied force, and applied force is the action force. So these are equal force but opposite in direction. Removing k from here, we get k is equal to minus f by x. This is equation number 2. And putting the Newton's second law, f is equal to ma, in equation number 2, we get k is equal to minus ma divided by x, and a will equal to minus k by x, k by m multiplied by x. So k by m is the constant with equality become proportionality symbol. So a will proportional to minus x, and x is the displacement or the change in length, where k by m is the constant. So defining the SHM or simple harmonic motion by using this equation of the Hooke's law and the restoring force, we states that SHM occurs when a net force is directly proportional to x, or x is displacement, and minus sign indicate that it is directed towards the mean position. So SHM occurs when net force is directly proportional to displacement from the mean position and directed towards the mean position. Then characteristics of SHM or features of SHM. First one is a body executing SHM vibrate about a fixed position. Fixed position is mean position, so it vibrate about mean position. And the second one is its acceleration is directed towards the mean position. Due to the minus sign here, the mathematical formula, a is directed towards mean position, and the magnitude of a is proportional to the displacement. Greater the displacement or change in length of the spring, greater will be the acceleration. And the last one is its velocity is maximum at mean position and zero at extreme position. Velocity of mass attached to the spring is zero at extreme because it stops for a while at extreme position, so its velocity is zero at extreme. But because velocity is higher at the mean position, it goes swiftly from the mean position, so mean position have highest velocity. So let's discuss law of conservation of energy, which is basically called interconversion of energy. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another form. There are two kinds of energy: the kinetic energy and the potential energy. Kinetic energy is maximum at mean, and potential energy is zero vice versa, because in mean position, let's take this mean position. Here position is 0, or change in position is 0, so potential energy dependent on position. So position is 0, then potential energy is also 0. But we have already discussed that in mean position the velocity is higher. So greater the velocity, greater will be the kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is maximum and potential energy is 0. In the extreme position, maximum displacement here. So greater the position, greater the displacement, greater will be the potential energy, and kinetic energy would 0 because its velocity is 0, because it stops there for a while. So velocity is 0, so kinetic energy is also 0. In the next case of the extreme, kinetic energy is also 0 and potential energy is maximum due to greater change in length. So here we saw that kinetic energy is converted into potential energy, and potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. These are conservation of law, which is defined earlier, that kinetic energy and potential energy, or whatever energy, can be converted from one form to another, but can't be created nor be destroyed. Thanks for watching.